Guys, we are going on the boat right now, okay? Boat ride. 250 pesitos for all of us for half an hour, okay? I'll let you, okay, so we are going to be around here. So, see here? So, here, one of those, I guess, I don't know which one it would be.
Moisés Arturo de la Cruz ya para servir.
Gracias. Our tour guide today is Moisés de la Cruz. So he says that he will be taking us for half an
Saludos
hour.
hasta donde sea.
Sí, a todo el mundo. Todo el mundo. Va a estar en YouTube, ¿eh? Hay bastantes pajaritos allá, ¿verdad?
Sí.
There's lots of birds over there. Look how pretty it is here. Ya tiene muchos años haciendo esto.
10 años.
10 años, está jovencito. He's so young and he says he's been working 10 years doing this. ¿En serio? ¿Cuántos años tienes?
Tengo 20 años.
Y de 10 años ya estabas...
O sea, no aquí en esto lo que es, sino, o sea, ya manejando las lanchas, sí.
Sí. Wow, from
Pero
10
en
years
ese
old.
trabajo así no.
Okay, from 10 years old he's been manuring this skip. And he says that not really going the tours for 10 years because he couldn't take people. ¿Qué es lo que se ve allá? Una casa.
Estos son fincas.
Son fincas. Okay.
Tenemos el recorrido de lo que es de 250 y tenemos el de 500. Es entrada a la laguna por 1 hora.
Okay. For 250 pesos, half an hour. Está bonita tu lancha. ¿Es tuya o trabajas para alguien?
Trabajo para la lancha.
Ok. Está bonita.
Se llama José Carrillo.
Ok.
José Gabriel Carrillo.
Sí. ¿Y eso que se ve allá qué es?
El que viene entrando.
Sí.
Ese es un barco plataformero. Lleva al personal para las plataformas y las va a buscar.
Ok. He says that the boat that you see back there, over there, he says that the one that brings the people from the oil and the work on the oil rigs, and he brings them home. So we are look at this, how long it is, guys. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. This is so nice. We are enjoying this. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look how pretty. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Sí, en la playa. This is the beach. Look, guys. All the pelicans and all the birds are here. Y tú, ¿tienes esposa todavía no?
Tengo una hija.
¿En serio? ¿Y de 20 años? Wow, tienes 20 años y ya tienes una hija.
Yo estuve contado, pero
Te separaste. Oh, okay. He says that he had a girlfriend and they have a daughter, but she's already separated. He's not living with her anymore. Esta chica la beba. 3 añitos. Wow. 3 years old, the baby. Wow. Empezaste joven. He started very young. So calming there. See, he's fishing. There they throw the net and hoping to get some fish. He says that sometimes people ask them to bring them over here on this side of the beach, and come back for them in a few hours, and he brings them here, and the people bathe here, they swim here, and then they come back for them in 3-4 hours because the place is beautiful. Look at the sun over there, so nice. Yeah, this is mangrove, and fish usually live there under the mango trees there. I mean the mangrove. It's a lagoon, that's why there's mangrove growing on the side. And that is the house of many birds. Una garza, mira. Sí, es una garza. So nice. They're even up on the trees, guys. Ese es un pijije. Un pijije. Sí. Here we go again, guys.
Cuando baja la marea, hay momentos de que queda un playón. Llegan lo que
Se seca.
Sí, se seca. Llegan lo que son los pelícanos, cocopatos, gaviotas, cualquier ave.
Todas las aves. He says that a certain time of the year, this side over here of the beach, it gets really dry, and when it gets dry with the sun, all the birds they come and they stay over here.
Los pájaros se sumergen en el agua y salen, se sumergen aquí y salen allá adelantito, o sea, se meten y pescan su comida, o sea, los peces.
Es un tipo de pato, ¿no es cierto?
Ándale, es un tipo de pato, pero le llamamos cocopato porque son
¿Cómo le dicen?
cocopatos.
Cocopatos.
Son marinos.
Okay. He says that these ducks here, they go into a certain area fishing, and they come out on a long, they stay on the water for a long time, and those are duck, marine ducks. So relaxing, guys. Look at this, all the birds living up here, and there's a tree full of birds over there. Hopefully they don't go when we pass by, so you guys can see how beautiful white it is. Look at that. They are so nice. Look at that, guys. Some of them are brave enough to stay here. See? They're brave enough to stay here. Others they just fly away.
Esto viene siendo lo que son los manglares.
Sí, el manglar. These are the mangroves, guys. Like I have said before. Oh wow, look at the birds. These are mangroves, and that's where That's where the birds that live here. Can you hear the birds? Está bonito ahí adentro. Beautiful in there.
Ah, y aquí estamos en los tanques, ¿no? Los tanques. Más adelante.
You guys, this is so pretty. And someone left a mark over here. That's how they put stuff in here and then they come back later. Then they know. Oh wow, look at this jumping. ¿Qué es eso que salta? ¿Qué es eso que salta?
Son camaroncitos.
¿En serio? Wow. Camaroncitos. Mira cómo saltan. Look, you see that thing jumping, guys? Those are shrimp. Wow. Wow. So I didn't know it's the shrimp, guys. Look at that. Por eso los pajaritos vienen a comer aquí. That's why the birds they come to eat here. Look at that. They're just jumping everywhere. You learn every day. Oh. Wow. That's a barge. Es una
Está abandonado, siempre trabaja. Está abandonado, siempre pobre. Abandonado.
Oh, this is abandoned barges. Those are the
Esta
barges.
sí acaba de llegar. La azul acaba de llegar, tiene como 4 o 5 días que acaba de llegar.
Oh, this blue one, they just brought it in. This he says 4 or 5 days ago.
Y eso está hundido.
Look, this a boat. There's a sunk there. Sunken boat. And the sun is going to go down soon, guys. Mira, la puesta del sol está.
Una belleza.
Sí. Y esos son los buitres allá arriba. Vultures are flying here. Wow. Yeah, the vultures are flying around back there. Probably there's a dead animal somewhere. And look at this beautiful thing. Nature is so beautiful here. All the flowers. Definitely Paraíso is the real paradise, guys. Real paradise. There's more fishing right here. Fisherman, sorry.
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Alguna qué? Ballesteros. ¿Alguna ballestero? Hay un película.
Yo solo, yo solo. Ah, no.
No, ahí está.
Ay.
to shore, guys. We had a beautiful day. A beautiful, beautiful day. Look at that. So beautiful. The restaurant over there está los abuelitos, the grandfathers. See, we're back to shore again. Nice. It's at the restaurant.
Muy bueno.
Well, Moisés, we had fun. Moisés nos encantó. Fue excelente. I'm telling him he was a very good tour guide, and we really enjoyed it. So, guys, stay tuned. And this is Paraíso. ¿Cómo se llama el lugar?
Chiltepec.
Chiltepec. And bye bye.